Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read comments on YouTube Shorts. Want to see comments on YouTube Shorts but can't find them? YouTube Shorts comments are located differently than regular videos. In this video, I'll show you how to find and read comments on YouTube Shorts easily. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open the YouTube app or on desktop, depending on the device you're using. The second step is to access the Shorts section by swiping up to view the comments. Here, we're gonna access a Shorts right here. We're gonna choose this one or this one. After that, tap on the comments icon, which is like a speech bubble at the bottom right corner. This is the one that says 2055. This means the number of comments on this Shorts right here. Click on it, and this will open the comments section where you can scroll through all comments. The third step is to view the comments on desktop, and to do that, just scroll below the Shorts player to find the comment section, and if comments are not visible, refresh the page or check if comments are disabled. As for the fourth step is to sort and reply to comments, and to do that, just tap on sort by clicking on this icon right here, and you can sort them by clicking on the top comments or the newest first. You can also tap a comment to reply or like it. To like it, just click on the thumbs up. You can also dislike a comment by clicking on the thumbs down, and you can reply it by clicking on the comments on the reply icon right here, as you can see, and you can write a reply. If comments are missing, the creator might have disabled them. To see more replies, tap View More Replies under Comments, and YouTube hide inappropriate comments, so YouTube Studio if you're not the creator. Now you know how to read comments on YouTube Shorts, interact with creators, and join discussions easily. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.